Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for cold emails and sales pitches. Let's get started. Step 1. Ask for a cold email template. Start with write a cold email to introduce my products and service to small business owners. ChatGPT will create a polished professional message. Then customize your audience, follow up with make it more casual or add urgency. You can fine-tune the tone, length, or offer. Create a sales pitch script. Then write a 30-second sales pitch for my social media service targeting real estate agents. You'll get a punchy, high-converting script. Then add a CTA or call to action. Always include a clear CTA. Ask ChatGPT, add a call to action to book a free demo. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.